Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. And today we're going to be doing a slime challenge, which involves a prize, which is Eminem's.
That's Nelly, Zara,
and
Tiani. I'm behind the cam today, so yeah, you know it's gonna be lit.
Okay, so please put the phone down so we can continue our video.
Okay, guys, you're going on the ground now. Woo!
Might want
Facing the elements of the earth, people.
to. No, you just put your thumb on that. I know, I don't care. Alright, whatever. Alright, give me your containers, I'll get you glue.
Ugh.
Ow! I'm okay with getting it. I'm not, I just had a shower, man.
Clue on me.
Shaving foam, as you can all see. We have school glue, as you guys can see.
And
The first order of business is glue.
woo! Look at that satisfaction, bro.
Oh, that's all you'll need.
Oddly satisfying.
That's all you'll need.
1, 3. Can I put this thing in it? The spoon in it?
Yes, you can put the spoon in it.
What? Boy. Comment Team Tiani for the win.
Come on, Team Zara, for the win. Okay, now we'll give you shaving foam, which you'll have to mix in.
Satisfying, people.
Oh, it is satisfying, isn't it? I love when it just grows.
Oh, shit. I mean,
Shivers.
yeah.
I'm gonna get someone to edit that video anyway.
I'll edit it for you guys. You have to give me $20 too.
Is that enough?
Yep.
I told you.
I'm getting it tonight.
I'll repeat that.
Killer.
West Side Killer. Hey, hey.
Look,
This
guys.
foam is really thick.
So, I'm just mixing it now.
So am I. With the glue.
So, what you want to do, guys, is you want to knead it.
Yeah, I've already done that. I don't need you to tell me how to make slime. I already know how. So do I.
Okay, I'm done. Do you want to add the colour in now or wait till the borax?
You gotta add the colour in before you do the borax. Yeah, so give me the...
This is what we have.
Yep, that's the colours we have. I'm blue, remember, dumbasses? Yeah.
Can we sit on the trampoline?
No.
Because I can't sit like that forever.
What?
Because my legs are really sore.
What colour are you doing? Purple?
No, black now. At the moment, until my other colour.
What's your other colour gonna be?
Purple. See, guys? Black. As you can
Teal.
tell by the black
Can
lid.
I just say, it's your first slime that's going to be judged because, like, I don't have a second container, so... Yeah, your first... If you want to, you can hold it in your hands.
I put 11 drops of black.
That's a lot of drops, man. Yeah.
Oh my god, look how cool that looks. Kind of looks like Collingwood. Ew. Looks kind of like poo, guys. Uh-oh. You sure that's black?
Yes, it's black. You just gotta add more colour into it. I don't need to add any more colouring. I like this colour.
Look, Nelly. Do you want to just put it over there?
What do you mean? The phone? No. Over there. It's fine down here. They can see me doing my slime. That's why I'm standing right next to that. Right. I love that colour. What colour?
That.
This one.
Look at this, Nelly.
Look, guys, look at this insane colour. Look at this insane colour,
This-
guys.
It's meant to be black.
Looks like poo.
Exactly. So now I'm just going to add like another 15 drops.
Oh my god, this is already looking so cool.
turn.
Oh my god.
There you go. That's enough.
I'm having deja vu.
Really? I had deja vu this morning when I took Bro to the bus stop.
Why and how? Exactly. Explain.
Because I had this weird dream that I was standing at the bus stop with Brody looking at the freaking a dude going past, and a dude went past, and I'm like, oh my god, deja vu.
Look at how cool this colour is, Nelly.
Look, yeah, this isn't very black.
This is
Look at
very
this.
cool. I love science.
It's slime, dumbass.
Well, science is part of slime, isn't it?
Yeah. Because of the density and stuff like that.
Chemicals.
Look at that.
It looks like poop, like literal poop.
That's funny.
Might use that for
Oh,
my next-
dirt.
I just wanted to make my colour a bit more standing out.
Those look really cool, guys.
Look at my colour, guys. Looks awesome.
Mine's is just gonna be a dark soppy colour.
I told you not to do black.
Black and white make grey. And sometimes grey can turn into a blue colour. It's getting blacker.
Sure is.
Not being racist or anything.
Well, it's a colour, so it's a black colour.
Actually,
It's a shade.
shade.
Shade, whatever. This colour is awesome. Okay.
Look at this, guys. It looks
let's-
like.
Come here, give me your thing.
No, not yet.
1, 2. Mix that in, and if you don't have enough,
I just
I'll
used
leave
all
you
of the black for this.
Seriously? Why do you use all the black?
more. What if Sarah wanted to use the black?
Did you?
No, I don't.
No.
But still. What if I wanted to use it for another video, Tiani?
Oh. And your hopes and dreams have been put in the bin.
Put by Tiani.
Yeah.
By my little sister.
Get in the bin.
Get to the bin.
I'm gonna leave it like a navy green.
Oh my god,
It
this,
looks more like a cake, honestly.
this feels awesome.
Okay. I'm gonna add the borax now, guys.
2, that's it.
Wish me luck, people. Oh my god, your phone just fell. Hi guys, you're looking at my face right now. Awesome.
Look at this.
Comment down below if your favourite colour is blue.
1.
Comment down below if your favourite colour is teal.
Comment
Put
down.
hashtag Blue Army.
Hashtag teal army.
Hashtag navy green, mommy.
It's really a poo colour.
It is.
Like a really dark poo.
Look at this, Nelly. The chemicals reactions.
Who were you on the phone to before?
To make up.
Buzz got.
One of my ex-residents.
I know who Tamika Bertacott is.
Oh my god.
Look at this. I'm gonna mix it in with my hand now. Here. I'll sit it there.
Yeah, you gotta use your hand after a bit.
Oh really?
Oh, really?
Look.
I love the pattern through this.
You gotta mix it in a bit more. You might have to use your hand, Tiani.
No. You know what? It's too late now.
It's too late to apologize. It's too late.
This is so messy.
You
Look
wanted
at
to make slime, that was your idea.
look at my hands, guys.
We can wash it over there. That's why there's a tap.
Now, normally with slime, some people don't use shaving cream, so it's not fluffy. They just use borax and
This time it is gonna be
Blue.
fluffy slime because fluffy
And
slime.
dye. Because, like, why not?
See, if I do this, it makes it come off.
I think I put too much shaving cream in.
Oh look! My hand! I'm gonna have great
Put more
hands!
put more borax in it then.
No. It's fine.
I need more colour.
Oh my god!
I want to make it...
This is not black!
This is gonna make your head green. It hasn't made my hand any colour.
You got like a shit colour on you.
Look Look at how cool my slime is now, Nelly.
Yeah, you need it. Add a little bit more borax to make it so it can stretch.
Alright, can you add some more? In my container, please.
I am now Shrek.
And if you need, you can add more glue as well.
Look, Nelly. I'm the latest edition of Shrek.
Hashtag Shrek for the win.
Hashtag Shrekend.
Oh, Hulk.
Yeah, Hulk. I like Hulk better.
Shrek sounds like a deja vu.
I actually got deja vu this
Mega.
morning.
What was deja vu this morning?
Well, so, right.
You weren't even awake this morning.
No. I mean this afternoon. So, right, I was sitting in the lounge room and we were watching Mo.
Massage.
Massage.
Yep. And